I try to picture a girl through a looking glass and see her as a carbon atom. See her eyes and stare back at them. See the girl as her own new world. Though home is on the surface, she is still a universe. Glory God, oh God is peeking through the blinds. Are we all here standing naked, taking guesses at the actual date and time? Oh my, justifying reasons why is an absolutely insane resolution to live by. Live high, live mighty, live righteously. Taking it easy, live high, live mighty, live righteously. I try to picture the man to always have an open hand.